For top-notch window installation services in Garden City ID, look no further. Our expert window contractors specialize in energy-efficient window installation. Garden City, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether you need double-pane window services Garden City ID or vinyl window replacement Garden City, we have the perfect solution for you. Our custom window solutions Garden City ID are designed to meet your unique needs, providing both functionality and style, all supported by our expert window replacement Garden City ID options. Window installation Garden City is essential for maintaining the integrity and efficiency of your home. Our home window installation Garden City services include window glass replacement Garden City ID and window frame installation Garden City. We also offer comprehensive window maintenance Garden City to keep your windows in top condition. With our window sealing Garden City ID, you can enhance your home's insulation and reduce energy costs, especially when paired with window replacement Garden City ID. Upgrade your home with our window upgrade Garden City ID services. Our window fitting Garden City experts ensure a perfect fit every time, while our window insulation Garden City ID solutions improve energy efficiency. Concerned about window replacement cost Garden City? We offer competitive pricing and a range of window styles Garden City ID to suit any budget. Our window design Garden City team can help you choose the best options for your home, making your window replacement Garden City ID project seamless. Accurate window measurement Garden City ID is crucial for a successful installation. Our window consultation Garden City services provide you with all the information you need, including window warranty Garden City ID options for peace of mind. Prioritize window safety Garden City with our durable and efficient window solutions. Enhance your home's curb appeal with our window aesthetics Garden City ID offerings, all ideal for improving your window replacement Garden City ID results. Our window durability Garden City products are built to last, providing long-term value and performance. With a focus on window efficiency Garden City ID, our installations help reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Trust our window contractor Garden City ID team for all your residential window replacement Garden City ID needs, especially when planning window replacement Garden City ID services. Contact us today to schedule your consultation and discover the benefits of our expert window services. Window installation services in Garden City ID are essential for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Our expert window contractors in Garden City ID specialize in energy-efficient window installation, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. With a focus on double-pane windows, we provide superior insulation and noise reduction, making your living space more enjoyable and supporting dependable window replacement Garden City ID. For those seeking custom window solutions in Garden City ID, our team offers personalized designs to match your home's unique style. Whether you need vinyl window replacement or custom window designs, we cater to all your needs with precision and care. Our window consultation services in Garden City help you choose the perfect window styles and designs that align with your aesthetic preferences and functional requirements, essential for smooth window replacement Garden City ID planning. Window installation services in Garden City ID are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our home window installation experts in Garden City address issues such as window frame installation and window glass replacement, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. We also offer window sealing services in Garden City ID to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency, which pairs perfectly with window replacement Garden City ID. Understanding window replacement cost in Garden City is vital for budgeting your home improvement project. Our transparent pricing and detailed window measurement services in Garden City ID ensure you receive accurate estimates and avoid unexpected expenses. We provide comprehensive window consultation services to guide you through the selection process, helping you make informed decisions for your window replacement Garden City ID upgrade. Window maintenance in Garden City is key to prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Regular upkeep, including window sealing and insulation, enhances window durability and efficiency. Our window maintenance services in Garden City ID help you preserve the beauty and functionality of your windows, reducing the need for frequent replacements and supporting long-lasting window replacement. Garden City ID outcomes. Window aesthetics in Garden City ID play a significant role in your home's curb appeal. Our window design experts in Garden City offer a wide range of styles and finishes to complement your home's architecture. From traditional to modern designs, we ensure your windows enhance your property's overall look and feel, making them ideal choices for window replacement. Garden City ID. Window safety in Garden City is a top priority for homeowners. Our window contractor services in Garden City ID include the installation of secure locking mechanisms and shatter-resistant glass to protect your family and belongings. We prioritize window safety in all our projects, ensuring your window replacement. Garden City ID provides both protection and performance. Window efficiency in Garden City ID is achieved through the use of high-quality materials and expert installation techniques. Our energy-efficient window installation services in Garden City focus on reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. By choosing our double-pane window services in Garden City ID, you invest in long-term savings and sustainability, important aspects of window replacement. Garden City ID. Window warranty in Garden City ID offers assurance and protection for your investment. Our comprehensive warranties cover various aspects of window installation and replacement, providing you with confidence in the quality of our work. We stand by our products and services, ensuring satisfaction for every window replacement. Garden City ID customer. Window fitting in Garden City is a precise process that requires skill and attention to detail. Our experienced window contractors in Garden City ID ensure a perfect fit for every window, enhancing both performance and appearance. This level of precision is crucial for high-quality window replacement. Garden City ID outcomes.